Mrs. Reynolds here with Pink Cactus Studio. I just wanted to do a fun drawing activity that doesn't require a lot of materials, but it is super fun to do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a continuous line drawing using Sharpie, and we're just gonna draw a bunch of faces. So here we go. So what I've got right here is a Sharpie and my paper, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and draw a face, but with one line. I'm not gonna pick up my pencil. It's like that blind contour drawing that we did before. If you haven't done it yet, go ahead and go check it out. It is super fun to do as well. Let's see, maybe I start with an eye here. And I'm not picking up my marker. If you haven't checked it out, I did do this on Facebook Live just the other night, so feel free to go check that out. And there is no wrong way to do this. And I kind of have to retrace some of my lines that I've already done. I learned from doing this last night that I wanted more lines in the hair. There we go, number 2. So the next step is to add some color, and I would keep it very abstract. So don't try to make it look very realistic, because these do not look realistic, so don't even try. So what I would suggest is really bright colors. Think about colors that you want to see together and sort of go into those new spaces that you've created. Trying not to touch the same color to the same color, but I kind of want it to be spread out because that'll kind of make your piece a little more cohesive. And if you don't have markers at home, you could totally use watercolors. You can use colored pencils. And don't take the coloring so seriously. I mean, like the craftsmanship, take it seriously, but not the colors. And when you are coloring something, you really kind of want to go slower around those edges, and then you can go a little bit faster inside that space. If you go slower around the edges, then it'll look a little bit cleaner. So you can go a little faster on the inside, but then when you get to like the outside edges, go a little bit slower and really clean up that edge. So much for joining me today. I will see you next time. Bye.